Hi guys, so welcome back. Guys, I'll tell you the whole story.
Wait.
Right now,
Hey guys, welcome back to Aditi Lapasia's channel.
gosh, she's so
Today
excited.
is a very good day in my life video of Aditi Lapasia.
It's a day in a life.
And it's 7:30. हमारे sir नहीं आए अभी तक.
It's a 7:30 lecture, and we were kind of late, but we are still on time.
Can you see the name?
Guys, I'll tell you how late I was. I woke up at 6:45. I leave at 6:45.
to leave at 6.
And I woke up at 6:45 and I fatafat changed, brushed my teeth, and I was like, I'm gonna go. So fit check. Fit check. Oh my god. Anyways, now for our first lecture is photography and videography. So we are waiting for her. So stay tuned.
Standpoint, I've used it for the last year.
What's the time, Shati? What's the time?
8:30.
Guys, our sir is 1 hour late. Now we're going to canteen because this Maharani can't sit in the class and she wants to have coffee
And
Maggie.
नहीं यार मैगी नहीं डाल.
Thank you. Guys, we ordered a sandwich.
Happy kid.
Happy kid. 9 o'clock. Cheers. It's nice.
Following the Second World War, Japan
Class is done, guys.
Two taxi people already rejected Aditi.
Not me. Guys, our lectures is done. And now we are on our way to Gateway because I have my internship shoot and these people are going to help me.
Naturals खा लूँ.
हाँ तो चल ना, okay.
चल.
Shit.
तेरी माँ.
Okay,
Follow.
got the taxi and Ananya is sharing tea. So,
And Ananya was just about to go into natural.
so what happened was she wanted to eat ice cream.
And I was like,
Because we didn't get the taxi.
And it's a taxi रुका.
ऐसे टैक्सी बीच में से रुका दिया अंकल ने हाँ बोला so now we got the taxi and she didn't get the ice.
after
It's okay.
rejection.
It's okay. Thank you for stopping my crimes.
सेकंड बुक ले लिए सिमरन.
मैंने पढ़ी मेरे बैग में है.
सेकंड बुक का मिस्टेक पढ़ रही है तू. कि जो डीना वैली का पढ़ते हैं.
नहीं द मिस्टेक.
कैसी है
अभी तक तो I'm like it.
Guys, we just had our so cute. Guys, we just had our family portrait, guys. Like
Family portrait.
look at this. So cute.
If we are 4 best friends and Logan Tucker.
We are obsessed with off campus if it's not clear.
Also, if you can see, there is Tom Holland
Right there, guys. Right there.
and Christopher Nolan.
Christopher Nolan, guys. We just can't see them, but we know.
We can
know.
feel them.
We know we are.
That sounds very wrong.
we can feel them. Okay, guys.
They are here for Odyssey का कुछ तो.
Or premiere. Okay, now we are leaving. Bye.
Premiere.
It was so fun, guys. I think I have never been to Gateway. I have no idea why. And I have a burger. And I had a fun time. मजा आया.
Cancel हो जाएगी. मत कर.
Where are we going, guys?
We are going to Prakash
We
Jyoti.
are going to Prakash Jyoti. Desha, any words of wisdom?
Oh my god.
My face itself is a wisdom.
Oh god. I honestly like hanging out with them, guys. And it is so fun hanging out with them other than being in college.
I know, right?
It's nice. I got
Tatted.
guys.
I'm gagged.
I'm so excited to
Oh my god. भाई नीचे रख दो भाई मैक्स को बोला हमने आँख में आंसू Bro, that was smash. Anything kind of help, please? Sorry. My bad. मैं vlog कर रही हूँ. Guys, everyone's order is here. Okay, but let's say what we have ordered. I've ordered a tatte idli, and we both are sharing a filter coffee soft tea. I have ordered a ghee podi dosa, and wait. Yeah. Sesha. I ordered butter sada dosa and ice filter coffee. मैंने ice filter
I
coffee नहीं
ordered
देखा.
Mysore, नहीं घी पोड़ी, Mysore masala dosa and ice filter coffee.
Softie is here.
Instant डालो guys.
I've eaten this pehle, but it's so good.
It's my first time.
I'll have a bite.
Which I'm excited. How is it? I wanted to eat this for a long time.
Wait, I want to have a bite.
खाओ ना. अबे पाउडर सीधा मुंह में डाला क्या?
बाप रे.
Yes.
Freaking 110.
ये सब content को चाहिए ना.
I told you it's nice.
How much?
This was so goated, they had to try it again. They bought it. Ananya is leaving and she wants to say bye to you all.
And Zesha, bye bye. Fun day out.
Because of me, guys.
Yes.
But convincing credit is...
Credit to her.
And
Also.
someone accepting is also
Exactly. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
I just woke up, guys, at 6 o'clock. I took a nap because I wasn't functioning enough. And now I have to, I think I'm still not functioning, but me and Ananya are doing a video call because we're in the same group for design thinking. And basically for that CA, we have to choose a brand and the campaign of them, and we have to research on that campaign and how it impacted and everything else. But we haven't started at all. And other groups have literally given their brand names because we have to give our brand names in the campaign, and we haven't done that. So we both are sitting, even though we have like other members in the group, but we both are sitting and doing it right now. And we'll just give our input, and then we'll be like, if you want to go ahead with this, then it works for me. But if it doesn't, then we'll have to sit. Everyone has to sit, and then we have to figure out. So, yeah, that is the update. And moreover, I will actually talk about today a little bit later because right now I have to do a video call with her. But I'll talk about my CAs, like my upcoming CAs. I'll definitely talk about that. And yeah, I have no idea why she's taking so much time. Just told me that she is ready. And now she's not picking up the call. Anyways, my lecture starts at 7:30 when it's a morning lecture. And I leave my house at around 6:45. But I woke up at 6:45 because I don't know. And then I checked that I had put alarm of 6:45 p.m. and not a.m. So thankfully, I don't know, my eyes just opened and I was like, what's the time? Because it's looking too bright. And then I got to know, yeah, I'm late. So I literally got ready in under 5 minutes. I was like, I just changed my clothes and I left. But then my first lecture was videography and photography. And the sir didn't come, like at all. And we were so pissed because this happened. This was the second time which is happening that he just doesn't come, and he doesn't even tell us that he's not going to come, because we have 2 lectures. So if he's not going to come, we'll come for the second one if anyone wants to come. But he just he decides not to come, and then we all are there. and it just pisses me off so much because it's morning lecture. Everyone came, and there are so many people who come from fast. They literally are on what 4 5 hours of sleep, and they're coming whatever, and they're traveling for 1 2 hours. So it just not me, but it just pisses me off that he's doing that. And then our lecture ends at 9:30. He came at 9:20, and in that 10 minutes, he started teaching as if it was a break. And he came and he's like, "What is composition?" I'm like, "Are you not going to apologize? Like normal human being would apologize for being so late, because literally almost the whole class was full. Like normally in 7:30 lectures, no one comes, but this time I don't know why everyone came." And so he didn't even apologize. He just started teaching. So yeah, that just pissed me off in the morning. And Ananya was also, she was also like, "What is happening?" And then we went to the canteen, we ate a little. So, okay. Then the second lecture was business innovation and something. I still can't remember like names of all the subjects like that. But it was a good lecture. It's just that I'm not interested at all in business category, so it just bores me out. But other than that, I think it's a good lecture. But I just don't like it because it doesn't like it's not interesting for me. So yeah. Then I for my internship shoot, we went to Gateway where I had to shoot a little, but then we took our own pictures and we were. It was so fun. Like I don't think I have gone to Gateway before. I went to the ferry station near Gateway, but I haven't been to that sculpture thingy that is there. And when I went there, I was literally so fascinated. I loved it so much. Like I love SR sculptures and stuff. So I just loved that so much. And then we clicked pictures, and yeah, I actually did show you guys. But after we went, like we were just leaving, and like I thought, why not take a picture from the guy? Because there are so many people there, uncles there. They're like, "Do you want a picture?" We said no because we didn't. Then I thought that we should get one because it's like I want to put it in my memory box. I love clicking, like having Polaroids and photo booth like strips, and then photos. And so, oh, where is it? Oh shit, where is it? Yeah. And so we did get our photo there, and the gateway is literally in the middle, so that's nice. And it's just so cute. And we also have the date and the year, so looking back at it would be like so cool. I hope it doesn't fade or something because I heard it does, but I hope it doesn't. Where is it? The date and the year is written right here. So yeah, then after that we went to eat at one of my favorite places, which is Prakash Dosa. And we went and we ate, and I don't think anyone had been there before other than me. So like I was like, "Come on, I'll show you a spot." And then they all loved it a lot. They're like, whenever we are in Fort, we're going to come here. And I was like, "Yeah, that's what." Like I don't understand like people going to Benne and Rameshwaram waiting in the line for like an hour or something. Prakash Dosa is so underrated, guys. I just love Prakash Dosa. So I had a tatte idli. Zesha, am I correct? I think Nanya had a podi dosa, and Simran had podi dosa, Mysore masala podi dosa, and I don't remember what Zesha had though. I think something similar only. They all were like dosa, and I was the only one eating idli because I was craving that idli for so long. So I was like, I'm gonna eat that. And then it was so hot. Like I have no idea why it's not raining. There was only 1 week where it rained so heavily, and now there is nothing, literally nothing. It was just so hot. So me and Ananya, we shared that softie, the filter coffee softie, and the and Simran and Zesha, they shared. No, they bought two iced filter coffee, but then when they tasted the softie, they were like, "Oh my god!" And so they also ordered one. And from there, we all just went home, and I literally came home and I was like, "I need to sleep," so I slept, and now I feel so much better. Okay, yeah, talking about my upcoming CSEs is basically class assessment, which is like assignments, and we get marks for those assignments. And then we also have, for some subjects, we have just assignments, and other subjects like assignment plus written exam. So, design thinking, I just said what's the CA about. The second is photography and videography. We have got three CAs lined up, and like we knew about that, but like the deadline that he has given, I was like, what? And he has like still not given us the day, like the topic. I'll explain what is happening. So my first CA for videography and photography is street portraits. So he'll give us a location, and there's a group of 10. So if they want to go like together, because it's not safe, so they have to go together to their location and click photos. Like it's a street photography thing. But and the deadline is like on July 23rd, I think, is the 26th is the deadline. It is July 14th, guys. And he's going to give us the location in next lecture. So one more week. And I was like, sir, just give it to us today. Like, why are you waiting? He's like, तुम्हें सिर्फ 2 घंटा निकालना है दिन में से, and then you can go there and click. I'm like, that's not the point. The point is, I will have more time in our hands. We don't have to hurry it up. And he was just pissing me off so much. And then the second is self portrait. Self portrait is like 10 photos of ourselves, but with a story behind it. Like, why did you take this photo? Or the theme. Or if you're decorating something, then for the background, then why did you decorate it that way? Anyways, like self portrait is kind of like a themed photography of yourself. Now, I hate being captured like that. Like I was never good at posing or whatever. And I'm still not. So for me, self-portrait is such a huge deal because I would never come in front of the camera. I would always be behind camera. I'm so comfortable being behind the camera that now it's like coming out of my comfort zone and going out and being in front of the camera and someone is clicking the photo. I just don't like the idea of posing. Like not as a normally for photos I would pose, but like professionally, thoda jaisa modeling type posing, I can't do that. So I'm just a little anxious about that. That how am I supposed to click 10 photos of myself with different themes, like 10 different themes, and I don't want to be in the photo, but I have to. So that is, and that I think is in the what do you call the deadline is 14th August. So not really, I don't have time, so I have to like start researching inspirations and everything. I have to think about ideas and finalize it. So I'm gonna do that today, later. Then the third is our 48 hours short film, which is a fun project to work on if you have a good group, because 48 hours earlier, like suppose, yeah, so what if I'm sir will give us a topic and a theme on, suppose, let's say Saturday. And on Monday, the submission will be there. So it's literally in 48 hours, you have to ideate, script, shoot, edit, and upload. That's 48 hours short film. Fun project, but again, if you don't get a good group, you are just stuck. So I think that is in September, like the deadline is in September. We can't really prepare anything for that because we don't even know our groups yet. So that is like my upcoming CAs till now. There's one more CA for the business innovation, and I'm still so confused about it, honestly. And sir is also not providing us with information that he has been telling us that he'll provide a PDF. He has still not given us that, so we are still confused. And yeah, that CA is also coming very soon. So now it's going to be like peak CA season in August, September time, where everyone will just give us their CAs and we have to complete within the deadline. It's going to be fun because I'm excited for the CAs, definitely. So I think, yeah, I don't think any other CA is given to us yet. Tomorrow is a culture, media, and memory, what you call, lecture. It's at 9:30, and our head of department takes that lecture. I honestly like that lecture a lot. Like it's very interesting for me. It's kind of like history and everything else. So very interesting for me. So I enjoyed the lecture a lot. And I guess that is it. I think for talking right now. Okay, bye. Oh wow, Shet is finally calling. Good. Guys, Ananya is finally here. Now we are going to discuss our CA. उसका vlog बन ही नहीं रहा भाई अभी 10 minutes अपने जाएगा editing vlog. She had the weirdest dream about me, guys. It's so weird. She sent all these links. I have to go through them. I also have like a few ideas in my mind. So it's 7 and I am very hungry. So I'm going to go have dinner now. And yeah, oh yeah, wait, I didn't tell you. So, oh shit, wait. It's a little. Today is Spain versus France semifinals. And I'm going to watch it with Aryaman. We're going to be on a video call. And it starts at 12:30. So it will go till. I said 3 because normally it will go till like 2:45, 2:30ish. Anyways, so let's just assume it's 3. Then my, what do you call it? My lecture tomorrow is at 9:30. So I'll have to leave at 8:30. Do you see how many hours of sleep I'll get if if I'm leaving at 8:30, I'll have to wake up at least 7:45, and if I want to wash my hair, then 7:30. So I'm not really getting any sleep. I'll ask my father if he can drop me because today he was going to, but our Activa wasn't working. So I want to ask if that's fixed because tomorrow I really need it. I'll be sleep deprived as F. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, yeah. So my dinner is basically sabzi roti because I was in such a hurry today because I was late. So like when my mom asked how many chapatis, I was like two, and then I just went. And then I was going to eat at Prakash Dosa. So I was so full. I was like, Mom, I can't eat. And then I was like, I'll eat this during dinner. So now I have to eat sabzi roti for my dinner. So I'm gonna go have that. And what else? I think after coming, I'm just going to finalize my self portraits. First of all, that I'll just write. This diary is literally a diary of my thoughts because there are so many random things that I've written here. But I think that's the whole point of having a diary because you don't have to pick a niche. Like I have picked a niche for some of my diaries, not gonna lie. But for this diary, I was like, just write whatever you want. And I love this. Oh shit. I love the aesthetic of this diary, if you can see. So today is 14th July. To-do list. First is finalizing self-portrait and okay, whatever. Second is finalizing or at least ideating for the reel of my internship. One more reel to go and I'll be done with my internship. Though I have to shoot 2 reels. For shooting, 2 reels are remaining, but to script part, only 1 is remaining. I've already done 1 and I've sent it. Editing for reel. What else? I think that is it. Like right now, it's so chill. Like nothing really is going on. As I said, like things are happening, but not going on, and nothing's serious right now. So it's still chill right now. I wanted to talk about the book that I am currently trying to read because I can't move past like what chapter am I at? What page? I'm on page 59 and I'm still not hooked. I'm not enjoying this book at all. It's Book Lovers by Emily Henry, by the way. And I'm not enjoying this book at all. Like Lynn Painter had me hooked from the start, like her books. Let's say Fake Skating, because I recently read it, and I read it in 3 days, by the way. And I was so hooked from the beginning that I was not able to put my book down. The first thing is I wake up, I literally started reading my book. I was my phone time, it just went down so much because I was just reading my book. I love those type of books that keep me hooked. This is not. I don't know. Is it the writing or is it the setting or how slow this is? I have no idea. Like what is this? Because Emily Henry is so hyped up. So I was like, let's try. So I don't even remember when I bought this book, but I was like, I don't have the other books in the series, which is the Mistake, off campus series, which is the Mistake and the Score. So let's just read. And it was a time when it was raining so much that it was red alert and our college was closed. We had online lectures, but the whole week it didn't rain, anyways. So I started reading this book, and I hate it so much. First of all, I hate it because there is no dual POV, and I kind of love dual POV at this point. Like, better than the movies didn't have dual POV, but it was still so well written that I wasn't like, oh shit, why is there no dual POV? And maybe because it's my first book, so I had no idea there is a thing called dual POV. First book in Sense and Romance. But now I have read so many books with dual POV that I need a dual POV. Like this is boring. Or she just wrote it in such a way that it's boring to me, because I think I've read books. Yes, I have read book. Not a good example, but I think it's what's the name of the author? Wait. So I read Not in Love by Ali Hazelwood. Not a good example because I didn't like it at all. I literally gave it like about 2-3 stars. It didn't have dual POV, but the story still was written in such a way that it wasn't boring. I just didn't like it for some other reason, but the story wasn't getting boring at all. Like, I was still interested in like what's going to happen, what's happening. It was there. But this, I'm not. I'm literally not. I don't want to know what's going to happen. Like, I'm someone who would not DNF the book until it's impossible for me to read. And so I still haven't DNF'd this. But I haven't read this since like past 3-4 days. I don't think I have picked up the book at all. So I think today I'm going to try and read at least 10 pages. So and it's not even like it's adult romance. I don't think that is the problem. I love adult romance as well. Like, till now, majority of my books is obviously YA. This is also YA. I have no idea. YA, teenagers, high school romance, which is very cute. I love that. But I've also read a few adult romances, and I had no problem with it. It's not like it wasn't relatable or anything. That wasn't the factor. Like, if you are thinking that this is like because both of them are in their 30s, and that is not the reason I'm not liking it. I like the character. Okay, I love both the characters, but it's just the writing that I'm not liking. And I think till now, I'm sorry, I think Emily Henry is overhyped. I'm really sorry. But that's my little reading update, that what I'm reading currently, and it's this. Hopefully I'll be able to complete it. I don't really want to DNF this because I've already bought the book, so I hate that my money is going to go to waste because I could have bought some other good book. Anyways, yeah. Now I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go have dinner, and then I'll come back. And if there's something more that I want to add, I can obviously yap. So this video is kind of a day in my life type of video where college was a major part. I don't think I'm going to do vlog tomorrow, so it's just a day in a life. And yeah, okay, bye. This is a lot while later. It's almost 12. I did research a little for my CA, but now I'm doing my skincare because after 12:30, I have a match to watch. If you may ask, I know you haven't, but if you may ask, I support Spain and Argentina. But if I have to choose between them, which is very difficult because both of them are in semifinals, and I really want both of them to win semifinals and come into finals because that would be an epic match. I want to watch Argentina versus Spain so bad. But if I have to choose between Argentina and Spain, I think I would choose Argentina just because it's Messi's last World Cup. So I would want him to win, obviously. But after Argentina, my second priority and second choice would definitely be Spain. The reason I'm supporting Spain is because all the players of the team, because I've watched, like, most of the players are from Barcelona. So I've watched Barcelona. I've supported Barcelona in UCL. So I know them and I've seen them play and I'm a fan of them. So I support Spain because of that. And they have a good team, not gonna lie, but I think Argentina is just the best right now. So yeah. Now I am just going to post stories because I love that so much. Like today's stories, I'm gonna post that. And then match will start in like half an hour, so that would be my plan. Okay, I'm in my jersey. Ready.